nazar could be real. You know.
It is.
Yeah.
के नाम में एक आई जुड़ जाना चाहिए.
हाँ इसलिए रितेश
He called me and says कि सर देशमुख हटाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो बैलेंस बिगड़ रहा है. तो मैंने बोला नहीं यार देशमुख चाहिए, तो देशमुख मैंने फिर से ऐड कर दिया. वो पिक्चर हो गई फ्लॉप.
So we dive into the interview directly. Aditya, my first question I want to ask you, because last time when we were talking about Munja,
Yeah.
and when I asked you about Kakura, you were like, it's a spoof horror comedy.
Yep.
Yeah, so I need you to explain us this new genre out of the horror
there's,
comedy.
There's a horror comedy that everybody knows
Yeah.
of, and which is the genre that we all kind of walk into the theaters or tune into the OTT platform to watch. Okay, so it has its own common elements, like there'll be jump scares, there'll be punches, humor that follows horror moments. But here we are also taking a few shots at these iconic horror films that have been the trend-setting films in this genre. And that is when I say that, you know, we do be a little spoofy also. When we take shots at her iconic dialogue from her super hit film, and it may be Stree, may be Bhul Bhulaiya. We have taken kind of our own shots at it with an homage. So that's when I say these films that we've always I have watched a lot, which are the scary movie series, they are, I think, out and out spoofs. We are not kind of getting into that space because we are also telling a story. We are also very true to our world. But we have a tone of humor that's a little different from the other horror comedies that you'll see. And that is where we stand a little different in that world.
And all of you doing a horror comedy at a time when it's like, you know, a trend. All horror comedies are doing so well right now and everybody's looking forward to it. So Sonakshi Sakib, Ritesh, how was that? Is that like you really wanted to do a film like this? It came to you, what was it?
So we did this film before time.
Yeah.
It just,
It's been a while.
It's been a while. So the idea is that I'm, you know, glad that, you know, Aditya has given such a stupendous hit, and this is coming right after that. So, you know, it really gives wind beneath the wings for a film like Kakura, and I think there's an opportune time, and I feel Kakura is releasing is the right time. It's timely that its release is coming now, and I think we all are excited about the film.
Yeah. It
Sonakshi.
came to me and I just found it to be such a fun read. I was very entertained while reading the script, and although I don't watch horror films, there was so much humor in this. You know, he's someone who's understood this genre so well. I think his grasp on it is fantastic, and the way he kind of knows kahan pe darana hai, kahan pe hasana hai, the punches, the beats, he gets it bang on. And you know, it was a pleasure to work in a genre like this for the first time with a director like him who is so well versed with it. So I had a blast. I think it was me kind of stepping out of my comfort zone, trying out something I've never done before, and I would love to do it again because it was so fun.
You know, actually, Sonakshi, when I heard that she'd got the script, she turned around on it so fast that I wouldn't
Yeah.
believe that she'd called maybe the script would have taken an hour and a half to read.
Yeah.
And she took an hour and a half to call back after I'd known she'd got the script. So I was quite surprised that, you know, I said that was a quick
And
call.
interestingly, Aditya called me and said, Sonakshi heard we sent the script to her. I said, today, I mean, right now, and she'll get back to us whenever. I said, okay. And he said, she's on. I'm like,
In a couple of hours.
Yeah,
In a couple of hours.
I said, let's do this.
Yeah, I mean, if I like something,
पढ़ी
I
थी
don't.
ना?
हाँ,
पूरी,
पढ़ी थी.
correct,
If I like something, I don't believe in like dilly-dallying and making, you know, the other person wait too much. And if I'm excited about something, I'm excited about it. Like I'll go full on. So this is what happened with this film as well.
But you know, jumping onto, of course, you did this movie before Hira Mandi, you know,
Yeah.
but the time is so good. Hira Mandi, you're beautiful as a
Thank
mother,
you.
as a daughter, you're perfect.
Thank
And now this, you look great in the the movie also, all of y'all. So how would you describe your present phase in your career? So Sonakshi Sakib?
I think it's fantastic. I mean, at least for me, I'm doing exactly the kind of work that I've always wanted to do, and I think it's been a gradual process. I've done everything actually. I want to be the actor where filmmakers can be like, I can put this girl in any genre, and cast her in any kind of film, whether it's a small film, big film, action film, romantic film, whatever film. I want to be that actor who can be cast anywhere. So I've tried my hand at everything really, and I've enjoyed it. Some films have done well, some films have not. I've made my mistakes, I've learned from them, and that's really what has made me the actor and the person I am today. So it's been great, really, and I'm doing exactly the kind of work that I want to do right now.
Saqib, after 83, you were impressive in 83. I think everybody was so good. Doing a film like this, and your character is a little bit into superstitions.
जी,
Yeah.
not little.
Very
Full
much.
on.
Yeah.
Fully.
I'm like अभी ये spoilers कितना बचा के बोलूँ?
नहीं,
ये
ये
आप
spoiler
बोल
नहीं,
सकते हो।
ये
ये बोलना
सबसे ज़्यादा
चाहिए।
बोलिए आप।
So as we talk about superstitions, I want to ask all of you all कि actor की life में बहुत सारी चीजें होती है, but at times if things don't go your way, have you ever resorted to कि ऐसा करने से numerology से कुछ अच्छा चल जाए या जल्दी हो जाए? ऐसा anybody has ever done it?
नहीं, numerology से तो
Not
नहीं.
just numerology, it's an example.
Like for instance, my full name is Saqib Salim Qureshi, right? When my first film was releasing and I had just woken up, मेरे producer का मुझे call आया कि अरे we are putting the credits of the film. What should we put as your name? मैंने कहा सर Saqib Salim Qureshi. He's like अरे ये तो title से बड़ा नाम है. So and very instinctively I said sir तो Saqib Salim डाल दो. My thought was that I'm very close to my father and Salim's my father's name. And I just wanted that to be right next to my name for some reason. And the same thing happened with Huma, and she kept Huma Qureshi. So a lot of people for the longest time thought we were cousins. I'm like, हाँ शक्ल
You
नहीं
aren't cousins?
Wow, sir, what a reaction, sir.
Yeah, good actor.
Oscar worthy.
So I have never done it for how do you say it? Numerology.
Numerology.
Numerology. Whatever. However, I've not done it for those reasons, but I feel like if somebody would tell, like if my mother would tell me certain things, not changing names, but for instance saying, अच्छा ये तावीज़ पहन ले या कुछ पहन ले, I may not believe in it, but just because my mother's saying it, I'll do it. So that's my take on superstition in real life.
Sonakshi, your experiences?
I think the maximum I could have possibly done is nazar utarna. Because nazar could be real,
It is.
Yeah. So better to I mean, although I'm not a staunch believer, but like अगर मेरी माँ को उससे खुशी मिलती है नजर उतार कर तो why not?
Ritesh?
I have actually a different story. I was doing a film Masti in 2003 and I was shooting for the film, and 2004 it was releasing in April. और एक असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर थे, एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर नीरज, और ही वॉज इन न्यूमरोलॉजी, और उन्होंने कहा नहीं आपके नाम में एक आई जुड़ जाना चाहिए.
हाँ, इसलिए रितेश.
करेक्ट. तो उसकी कहानी अलग है, लेकिन तो मैंने बोला ओके ठीक है. एंड फिल्म डन. आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर, आई डोंट नो वेदर आई वाज शूटिंग फॉर ब्लफ मास्टर और मालामाल वीकली, और उस वक्त फ़ोन आया कि अभी उस वक्त तो ये होते थे प्रिंट्स, तो प्रिंट निकल रही है और अभी नाम डालना है, तो नाम क्या रखें, आई डाले कि नहीं डाले, मीन्स क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा. नहीं सर प्लीज़ मेरे लिए एक आई डाल दो सर, ये बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. तो मैंने बोला डाल दें, तो उसने आई डाल दिया. तो अभी सर आई कैसे, आर आई, मैंने दो आई मत डाल, ऐसे आई किधर दूसरी जगह लगा दे, तो RITEISH हो गया. सो नो प्रॉब्लम. देन ही कॉल्ड मी, एंड फादर वाज CM दैट टाइम. देन ही कॉल्ड मी एंड सेज के सर देशमुख हटाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वो बैलेंस बिगड़ रहा है. एंड आई वाज लाइक अच्छा तो निकाल दो. सो मस्ती वाज रितेश, नॉट रितेश देशमुख, एंड इट वाज अ बिग हिट. सो ऐसा चल गई. तो मैंने बोला नहीं यार देशमुख चाहिए, तो देशमुख मैंने फिर से ऐड कर दिया. वो पिक्चर हो गई फ्लॉप. फिर मैंने बोला यार अभी इसको निकाल दो. निकाल दिया. क्या कूल है, सुपर हिट. तो मैं ये हो क्या रहा है. सी व्हाट हैपेंस राइट, it's not like I believed in it.
Yeah, but that plays on your mind, na?
It does, but after some time na, then you realize Deshmukh is your identity, it's your last name, and you cannot stay away from what you are. irrespective of your success and failure, then I started adding Ritesh Deshmukh in rest of my films. So that stays with me as Ritesh Deshmukh as my name. Only when I did my Marathi film, Lay Bhari, and post that whatever Marathi film, my father wasn't there when I did my debut. He was there when I did, and that's the reason in Marathi films is always Ritesh Vilasrao Deshmukh.
Sonakshi, at this phase of your career, in this phase of your career, with everything that you've done, you know, I keep thinking about Lutera because it's one of my favorite films. Sonakshi, so what are the things that you're looking forward to ferociously want this kind of work, you know? Is it something?
Like I said, like I'm open to everything. The role should excite me. It's been a while since I kind of shifted gears from a particular kind of film that I was doing to playing very strong female characters on screen, and I really enjoy that. Like it really satisfies me as a person and as an actor. So I will follow that same direction. And then depends on what roles I get to play. I would love to do biopics. I would love to do period films, more of those. I would love to do all-out action again. You know, after Akira, I really enjoyed action. I would love to do that. I would love to do everything, really.
Can it be
I'm
challenging though?
It has to challenge me in some way or the other. Otherwise, I won't take
No,
it
in
up.
finding work, when you know a lot of
Oh, sorry, I thought you meant sorry.
A lot of female actors, when they do the strong roles, when they lead a film, they stop getting kind of mainstream छोटे roles जो बोलते हैं glam वाले roles मिलते हैं, वैसा कुछ? Do you fear that?
तो अच्छा है ना, बड़े रोल करो और important roles करो, अच्छी बात तो है. I mean, like I said, after Akira, that was my first one, which I did like that, where I was sort of the hero of the film.
Sure.
It's like tasting blood. You never want to go back to doing 2 songs and 4 scenes
Correct.
in a film. So I'm enjoying it. I mean, bring it on.